Kahamde.
Foto putih, jangan betul ya foto putih. Foto putih.
Cerai dong, juta kata ya.
Ini mau kamu. Chandiram Priya.
Tahu, sir, I want snap.
không đi.
I spoke to your God yesterday. He called me up. Who is your God? Any, they don't care.
Will be there at Khedasara. On December around 13.
13 December is my father's birthday.
Then we
No problem. 13, 14, okay. We finalize it. I will 100% come.
okay.
Then if I come to Khedasara, then I will try to stay for one night, overnight.
Yes.
One night halt I will do. Who is coming to Delhi, Abhiyan? You are coming?
Delhi.
We are going on the 27th to Delhi for the Greater Tipraland demand. All this problem ना, जितना भी ये problem है, सब खत्म हो जाएगा.
Is it possible for us to go to Delhi because we are still displaced people? Our resettlement is not yet completed, sir. Still had about.
You are part and parcel of my Greater Tipraland.
Yeah, that is true.
In
Exactly.
fact, one day we will even fight for some seats in Mizoram.
Okay, sir.
Never feel that our young people are outside the system. Bruno, you have to learn how to fight back. In fact, CM तो कहाँ है?
They have just reached.
खेराछरा?
Yes. 10 minutes back.
दोबारा वीडियो भेज दिया.
हाँ है भेजे. Around 1.5 hours. ठीक है? Because I didn't want to take. This is my minister. Young man, no? Young fellow, no?
Hey, okay.
He's from Gandhakrisa. Raima Valley. Come. That's right.
Nowadays, everywhere young people are leading the country. It is very great, sir.
So you and me are too old now.
Yeah, we are too old.
You and me.
We have to.
Young man is there.
We have to get pension.
नहीं ये सब अरे ये सब नहीं चाहिए ये सब वीआईपी कल्चर छोड़ो ये सब जिस दिन मंत्री बन के नेता बन जाता ना उनके लिए हम लोग के लिए ये सब नहीं हम लोग के लिए ये सब नहीं चलता है ये ना इसको क्या बोलता है जानता है हाँ इसको बोलता है टोस्ट में ऊपर से भी मक्खन लगाओ नीचे से भी मक्खन लगाओ We'll give you budok, we'll give you chakui. You come, you stay with us for one day, and don't come 1-2 people. Come 15-20 of you all.
More than that also.
Okay, come 50 of you all. You know, now I just found out in Kumulung we have a guest house.
Okay, very
So
good.
you can come there. See, when our brew people start meeting, when our brew people start meeting other people, then there'll be more Thansa also.
Yes.
And I want all of you all to, and then I'll send you all to South Tripura. Please start YBA in Shantir Bazar.
Yeah, there is YBA. Yes.
No, you know why? I want to take at least 5 to 10 brews from North Tripura to South Tripura.
South Tripura. Good.
So you can train them how to fight. No, seriously. When I come to Kanchanpur ना, हमको लगता है अरे ये यहाँ का ब्रू लोग fight कर सकता है. हाँ. And I want that same energy for you all to go to South, and so you can teach our Bru people there also that they should be able to fight for our rights. They are fighting, of course. There no doubt they are fighting, but you all are very strong.
Not why we are even more strong.
Actually, our regional YBA of this Lankai Valley, they want to meet with you, and they thought that it is to be there at Khedachera.
Why don't you bring them to Agartala? Because see, I'll pay for your journey also.
Very good. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
10,000? No, that was it.
For signatory also you consider something we want to meet because we don't.
Why don't you come together?
Yeah, we will come together.
When do you want to come?
With this
15?
YBA also no problem.
Day after tomorrow? Today is what? 13?
Tomorrow.
Today is 13.
Day after tomorrow.
We have
one day. It depends on the people actually. We cannot say them.
No, but if I give you good land, because till the time Bru people do not know how to.
South Tripura. Yes.
Where South Tripura is where Santi Bazar, Bokafa, Matabari,
Amarpur.
Yeah, Amarpur side. No, Amarpur
Bilonia.
side. No,
Bilonia.
it's not a problem. That's right, because land is very good. If you just take rice and just throw it, it automatically on the main road. If you all come, you all will become rich also. And it's all about how much we can, and you get good education. And now I spoke to the Muslim people. They are also very, after what is happening to them, and they are ready to come with the Prasad. They know now. They'll give you biryani also now. No, now is a good time. I'm requesting all of you all, try to come to South Tripura. That's Sonamura side also. Land is so good. If you just put your hand in the water, you'll get a fish also. कंबल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करता तो यहाँ में भी होगा. लेकिन हम लोग बुरे लोगों के लिए बर्तन भी देगा बनाने के लिए. हाँ, बनाने के लिए ये भी दे रहा है. आप लोग चिंता नहीं करो. टिपरा इससे पहले एडीसी का कोई भी गवर्नमेंट ने इतना नहीं किया. वी आर द फर्स्ट वन. तो हम लोग आपके लिए कर रहे हैं. ये पैसा बुबगरा का पर्सनल पैसा है. ये गवर्नमेंट का पैसा नहीं है. हमारा खुद का पैसा है. आप लोग को दिया. आई लव ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल. सब बुमा को, हम लोग का यूथ को, आई लव ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल. आप लोग काम करो, दफा के लिए काम करो और प्रार्थना करो. प्रे दैट वी गेट ग्रेटर त्रिपुरा लैंड. जिस दिन हम लोग को ग्रेटर त्रिपुरा लैंड मिलेगा, वहाँ में हम लोग कोई क्रिश्चियन, मुस्लिम, हिंदू, बुद्धिस्ट, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू डिस्क्रिमिनेट. हम लोग का ग्रेटर त्रिपुरा लैंड में सब लोग, हवा भी आपका, हा भी आपका, राज्य भी आपका ना. वी ऑल वांट दैट. ठीक है. और 2023 में वन लास्ट फाइट. ठीक है. वन लास्ट फाइट हम लोग करेंगे.
बुबगरा जीतेंगे तो जीतेंगे, हारेंगे तो हारेंगे.
वन लास्ट फाइट. नो कॉम्प्रोमाइज. नो कॉम्प्रोमाइज. ठीक है. नहीं, लेकिन तभी भी रेडी होना चाहिए. अरे मास्क. Who's the leader here? Charlie, you are there?
Charlie.
Anybody else? Last time तो और भी था ना? कुछ और होता है. जब सीए पास हुआ, सब लोग मिठाई बांट रहा था. हम फाइट कर रहा था. आज भी हो रहा है.
हम खुद किया था.
एक वोट बैंक के पीछे भागना, मैं अलग से सोचता हूँ. मैं आपके साथ हूँ और आपको हम कैसे आप लोग एक सम्मेलन करो. मैं आता हूँ पूरा में. मैंने बात किया सब. ये हमारा नंबर है. ये आपका है.